Here are 10 interesting facts about dogs. Number 1. Unique nose prints. Dogs have unique nose prints similar to human fingerprints. This helps identify their personality. Number 2. Excellent sense of smell. A dog's nose contains about 220 million scent receptors, while humans have only 5 million. Dogs can smell scent up to several kilometers away. Number 3. Saving lives. Dogs are trained to not only detect drugs or explosives but can also detect disease such as cancer. Number 4. Loyal friends. Dogs are known for their loyalty. Keep in mind that a dog may experience separation anxiety from its owner. Number 5. Diverse breeds. There are over 340 different dog breeds in the world, each with their own unique characteristics and features. Number 6. Task specialization. Dogs have a variety of skills and abilities, making them ideal for various types of work such as security, search, and rescue, assistance to the disabled, and others. Number 7. Outstanding athletic abilities. Dogs may be Olympic level training in sports disciplines such as agility or flyball. Number 8. Body language. Dogs communicate using their bodies. They use their ears, tail, body posture, and facial expressions to convey their feelings and intentions. Number 9. Ability to socialize. Dogs are social animals and can develop close bonds with their family, whether human or other dogs. Number 10. Unique dreams. Research has shown that dogs can also dream just like humans. Their dreams are often related to what they did during the day. Thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe for more